Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.85 in fashion, which is notably high given the recent momentum dip of minus 0.18. This suggests a growing optimism in an otherwise cooling trend, hinting at a potential shift in consumer attitudes, or upcoming trends you might want to capitalize on. Our API returns nuanced insights, including sentiment scores, momentum trends, and semantic clusters, allowing you to gauge not just the overall sentiment, but also the underlying themes driving it. Imagine using this data to inform a marketing campaign, or adjust your inventory based on emerging trends. By tapping into this sentiment, you can align your offerings with consumer desires before everyone else catches on. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.